A close associate of mine was fired from her job a few months ago and was able to find a better, higher paying role in just 4 months using ChatGPT. Here's exactly how she did it, no gatekeeping. Now, my hunch is some viewers might already know the first few steps, but the last two are the magic moves. And yes, in full disclosure, she did find the job on LinkedIn, but that's not how she got hired, and I'll share that at the end of the video as well. The first step she did was to upload her base resume into ChatGPT, which is a document that contains your entire work history that's never intended to be submitted. The length of the base resume doesn't matter, because all it does is serve as the source for all the new resumes ChatGPT creates. The second thing she did was to upload all her achievements. Achievements are critical to the hiring process because employers want to see what you've done, not just a regurgitation of an old job posting masquerading as a resume. Achievements have three parts: the problem or challenge you faced, the action steps you took to solve it, and the results. You want to write all these out with as much detail as possible. It doesn't matter if you got recognized with an award or not. As long as you did it, it counts. Make sure to quantify your achievements as well. Okay, once those preliminary steps were completed, the next thing she did was to paste the job description of the role she wanted to apply for and ask ChatGPT to rewrite a brand new resume and cover letter that pulls from both her base resume and her accomplishments. Now it's time for the magic moves. The first move is to paste in the company's website link and ask ChatGPT to integrate that company's specific buzzwords or corporate lingo into the new resume. But you're not done yet, because there's one more magic move you need to do. The final step is to find the company's mission statement and values link and paste that into ChatGPT as well. Then ask it to incorporate the mission and values into the new resume. The whole point of her strategy is to create the impression you're an easy transfer in and to look like you already work there. All right, if you made it this far, here's how things played out. It's true, she did find the role on LinkedIn, but she did not apply through LinkedIn. Here is some strong advice. Never apply through LinkedIn if you can avoid it. If you find the job on LinkedIn, go to the company's website and see if the job is still open and apply directly. Also, never use the easy apply button. It's the lowest barrier of entry to submit applications. And the absolute last place recruiters look. Always apply directly through the company's website. Next, it's very important that you read the resume ChatGPT produces and edit it so it sounds human. Put another way, take what ChatGPT gives you and modify it so the resume sounds like you wrote it. Again, there's no guarantees this strategy is going to work. I'm simply passing along something that my associate was able to leverage to find a new role, which ironically had a higher paycheck to boot. Okay, it's time to wrap up. The main goal of this video was to help job seekers use ChatGPT to write resumes that will get employers' attention and hopefully find you a new role. Make sure to let me know your thoughts down below. And now here's another video for you.